Dear Dr. McDowell, congratulations on being awarded a professorship for your extraordinary work in glaucoma genetics as it relates to a mouse model. We are so pleased that you have come to University of Wisconsin to expand the research portfolio of the Department of Ophthalmology and Visual Sciences. We're also very pleased and very delighted and grateful to the Huffman family for supporting this award. I was especially interested in converting it into an award that's given to an early stage researcher so that they have the funds needed to expand their research portfolio and be able to continue to get competitive funding and build their research laboratory presence here. So thank you very much to the Huffman family, and congratulations again, Dr. McDowell.
I want to thank Terry for inviting me to participate in this wonderful celebration, and especially thank the entire department for carrying on during these very difficult times. Today is a joyful celebration where we thank Phyllis and William Huffman for their remarkable support in creating their endowed research professorship. You know, these professorships are really what provide us with the margin of excellence. Because of this generosity, we are able to recruit and retain the very, very best and support their research here now and into successive generations as future holders of this great resource and honor are identified. So thank you so much, William and Phyllis Huffman. And I also want to welcome your family who have joined in the celebration of what is really a family legacy. And now just a few reflections on Dr. Colleen McDowell, the inaugural holder of this professorship. We were so delighted to recruit you back home to Wisconsin, where you gave up the wonderful summers of Texas to enjoy the invigorating winters of Wisconsin. Little did we know that we would be facing across the globe this horrible pandemic. But we are so glad to have you here because of your vital contributions to the academic missions of this School of Medicine and Public Health. Your work on glaucoma is so vitally important. This is a horrible scourge that afflicts millions of people across the globe, threatening to rob them of the precious gift of sight. We know that your innovative research will make a real difference as we increase our understanding of this disease, and in doing so, find new hope for new cures. So again, thank you so much, William and Phyllis Huffman, and the entire Huffman family for this permanent legacy that you have created. And congratulations to you, Dr. McDowell, for selection as the inaugural recipient of this great award. I hope that all of you will still stay safe, all of you will be well, and all of you will share in saying, "On Wisconsin."
Hello, I'm Curtis Brand. I'm the Vice Chair for Research in the Department of Ophthalmology and Visual Sciences. And I'd like to take this opportunity to congratulate Dr. McDowell on being named the Huffman Professor in glaucoma. We are extremely happy that we're able to recruit Dr. McDowell to the department and have her expertise in glaucoma enhance our already strong glaucoma research group. Her research extends all the way from looking at the trabecular meshwork, an outflow facility, to effects of elevated intraocular pressure on the optic nerve and on retinal ganglion cells. And so we are extremely happy that we were able to recruit Dr. McDowell. And I also want to take this opportunity to thank the Huffman family for their generous contribution for this professorship. It will allow Dr. McDowell to conduct experiments and gain preliminary data for larger grant applications to other agencies. So again, thank you, and I do remember the meeting where we presented all of this to the Huffmans. I'll always remember that meeting.
Hi, my name is Colleen McDowell, and I am an assistant professor in the Department of Ophthalmology and Visual Sciences here at UW-Madison. And I would like to personally thank the Huffman family for awarding me the new Huffman Professorship. My laboratory has spent the last several years studying the mechanisms and initiating factors in the development of glaucoma. As we all know, glaucoma can be a very debilitating disease. There is no cure, and there's a lot of limitations to the current therapies. This professorship will allow me to develop some new animal models of glaucoma that will allow us to identify some mechanisms of disease as well as some novel therapeutic targets. I am most looking forward to having the opportunity and the resources to do some of this groundbreaking work. I truly appreciate the Huffman family and would like to once again extend my heartfelt thank you for awarding me this professorship.